Hey guys, this is Michael Myers 101. I'm going to show you guys how to do my fogging pumpkin that I like to do every year for Halloween. So basically starts out with just carving the pumpkin into whatever design you like. So that's the first step we're going to do here. So I'll show you some of that next. So as you can see, we're separating out the seeds from all the pulp because you got to save those seeds so you can cook them up later. I'm going to try to roast a bunch of them in a big batch. So kind of just scooping them all out right now, as you can see. So as you can see here, you need to make sure that the hole is big enough to fit a bowl of water in. So whatever size bowl you're using, make sure the hole you carve in the top is big enough to fit it in. It'll be important later to run the mist maker. So what we're doing here, I'm trying to carve the Halloween 1978 pumpkin, just trying to wing it here because I was having some trouble finding the template online. They used to have it on the Halloween Movies official website, but couldn't find it this time, so kind of stuck just trying to do it myself, looking at the picture. And everybody else here is lucky because they've got templates, so they're actually able to get some help with carving their pumpkins. And got a lot of seeds right now, so they're doing pretty good so far. So this is the final product here. I think I did an okay job without a template. So next I'll move on to the next part. Next step is to need to drill a hole, just a small hole in the back, just like big enough to fit a cord through, so we can power the mist maker. So I'm going to do that next. So I totally realized I should have just used this knife here. Could have carved like this, just like Michael Myers in Halloween 5. Probably would save some time. And my friend also just suggested should have just used a blender, a hand mixer to get all the gunk out of this thing. Probably would have been a lot quicker. But anyway, I got the hole drilled, and now I'm going to run the cord through from the mist maker, get a bowl of water in here so we can run that. All right, so now we're going to put the bowl of water and the mist maker into the pumpkin.
Person on the photo or whatever, I'm always referred to his name first.
How though? Oh, you used all my tape! I used 2 pieces of tape. 2 pieces, or the whole roll. No.
All right, so I'm going to give you guys a look at some of the different pumpkins around here. All right, so let's see yours. What does yours look like? Nice, very nice.
That's where I got the shoes. They're like 75% off.
That's where I got these. All right, so here's a look at the final products in the dark. I hope you guys can try this out, and I hope you all have a very happy Halloween. See you guys next time.